is what happens when you drive a Dodge product.
My name is Matt. I'm your mission commander today. We've got Julie. We're with SHIELD. We have some of our agents out on the route already awaiting your arrival. We are looking for the best of the best of the best. Heroes or villains, we don't care. We need to save the Earth from some serious threats. We can use the help. What's going to happen in less than 10 minutes? Julie is going to be handing out your route cards at the 2 flags up at the front. You won't know where you're going until you're actually departing. Your route cards will not tell you where you're going. They will give you clues. This is where your navigator comes in. Their job is to find where you're going. And I will warn you, you will want to use logic and common sense. We've had events before where we were going down to Lethbridge and people interpreted a clue thinking we were going to Red Deer. They went almost an hour the wrong way. We've had it before as well where someone in the front of a pack of cars has no clue where they're going and everyone behind them is blindly following. Renee is driving a gray Shelby GT 500. Do not follow her. She is the U-turn queen. She will be driving and she'll randomly turn around and you'll have no clue where she's heading to. To get your route card, you will see a bunch of questions. Every day of the event is going to be different. Today is more trivia based. You're going to checkpoints. You will be spending 20 minutes to half an hour there. Any more than half an hour, you'll want to get going or else you're probably missing lunch.
Yeah, yours, G?
I got. Find the placard in the entry building with 2 R's engraved in the wood. What registration year is written on this placard?
That's the hint?
Yeah.
Matt, you're freaking killing us!
What?
What am I supposed to do with that?
I've been doing this for 9 seconds. Approximately how many Alberta townships contain land from the original Bar U Rangelands property? So this is, okay, so this is a museum. This is a museum.
Yeah.
Bar U ready to see what it takes to save the Wild West? Okay. Are you a hero or a villain? Hero option, proceed to the cattle roping station outside the chop house, successfully rope a wooden steer around the neck in 5 attempts. Villain, go to the chop house building, you'll be matched against another team. Locate the ruins of this former crow's nest mine, the Bellevue mine.
Oh, there's the Bellevue mine.
Frank needs your help. Will you slide in for the rescue? So there's the fucking rock slide, okay?
All right. So we just go find
Bar U.
Oh, Courtney. Fancy seeing you here. You come here often, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is where I spend my weekends.
Beautiful.
Yeah, 1926. Find the caboose.
The caboose. Hey, how you feeling about that 7 right now? You feeling confident?
I'm good. I'm confident.
I'm feeling confident too. I don't think it was 1.
No.
No,
I'm pretty good at Googling shit.
Well,
Ask Meg. Ask Meg.
Yeah. Although John's done 17 rallies, we don't know how well he's done on 17 rallies.
Right, we know he goes fast.
Yeah, we know he rips, so. What's going on down here? Rope a villain or something?
You're a cowboy, Steve. Yeah, walk right around to the back. There you go. Got him.
Oh, no big deal. Hey, you saw I roped that steer over there?
Rope that steer quick.
Yeah. What's going on? You look cute in there.
Yeah, it's my favorite car.
Yeah, nice.
One of them.
One of them. R6 is your favorite car, just so you know.
Yeah, no, they are. Yeah, no, I do like those.
Okay, I'm gonna try and keep up with you guys so we can get shots.
Feeling cute, might hang out the side of a car later.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that a lot.
Was this guy just getting here?
No.
See this, G? We're getting into the mountains. We're in the foothills now.
Getting into the mountains.
Yeah. You can kind of see them over there. Over that river. Think there's any tadpoles in there?
There's gotta be tadpoles in there.
Oh, I see.
Everybody's gonna get this wrong.
Because they're doing tons.
They're doing tons. What was the train engine repair shop located next to?
Oh, well, there's a bunch of big buildings over there. You think there's any tadpoles in this water? You learned some stuff there, G?
Learned lots.
What'd you learn?
How to win.
Bam.
Yo,
Did you know that once upon a time, half that mountain let go and buried an entire town?
73 people were killed.
How'd you know that? Just a smart guy.
I Googled it.
Imagine living here and being buried by half the mountain.
No.
No. Now, to put it into perspective for people watching, that boulder is the size of a car. So is that one. It's crazy. What year was this? Did you find out?
No.
That's wild. That was before. That's after. Cool. You feeling confident?
I'm feeling
This way.
confident-ish.
Confident-ish?
Confident-ish.
I'm with you. Confident-ish. Although I still think it's 90. Rick, what do you think? No?
What?
You going with 73 or 90?
Wasn't even a question.
It was the question. It was the question.
It wasn't. What was the total number of casualties? It was who was the final casualty.
Well, that'll change everything.
That changes everything.
Okay, let's go over here. Let's take a moment of silence. Dude, some of these boulders that said in the write-up are bigger than houses.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. So it actually came off the mountain in one piece, eh? And then as it came down, it broke up. But like, it's 150 feet thick, is that what it said?
150 feet deep.
Deep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Covers 1.2 square miles.
Yeah, I saw that, yeah. 1.5 kilometers square. You see, kids, this is what happens when you drive a Dodge product. You gotta fix it halfway through the rally. So, it's a lesson learned, kids. It's a lesson learned.
Lesson learned.
See, Porsche's still running. I don't know how Volkswagen's made it this far, but yeah. All right.
Yeah, all you
Shut-
blind guys that keep your shit stock.
That is not stock.
Yeah.
I mean, the powertrain.
What? Yeah, exactly.
It just rolled over 2,000 kilometers on our way here. Hey, see that guy right there?
Yep.
So he pulls up and he tells me my car is gnarly, right?
Yeah.
And he's like, here's my phone, put your Instagram in there, I want to follow you on Instagram. So I go type my name in there, he already follows me on Instagram.
Oh, this is awkward.
Yeah, we're in BC, that's funny. Is there a change in fashion I didn't hear about? Like, what's going on here?
Really?
Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, let's go get lunch. Yo, you hungry?
Hungry.
I'm starving.
Let's go.
This looks like, oh man, I love this car. Love it. Where's the food? Oh, across the street. Right there.
Street.
All right. One might say lunch with a view. Look at the mountains. Hey, riddle me this. So like these are public roads, right? So why do people get mad if there's a rally hosted on them? We're driving nice. We're not making excessive noise.
Are we though?
I'm to the speed limit right now. That's a rental car. That's my favorite part. Yeah, this is the car I scared them and said I bought yesterday. It might be, no, maybe this one. Machine. Is that one Machine? No.
No, that's the other one. I told Mateen was behind us
Was he?
by about 5 kilometers. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because he sent a thing that said no cops yet.
Alright, we're going downstairs first, buddy.
Oh, there's
absolutely blows my mind that this entire basement is a model train. Like, the amount of time somebody put into this is just unreal. It's a train coming through there. Should come through here in a second. Come in. There it is. This is like a real train program. This is so good. I want to go to Trip. Hey, I'm feeling confident. How are you feeling?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Pretty good.
Like on a scale of 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I know a few things about trains.
All right, let's do it. Couple things because you worked at CN for 15 years.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
let's do it.
Okay.
Man, I love that car. Well, we made it to the hotel, day 1. We'll be spending the night there, having supper there. There's Ryan. Ryan? No, he doesn't hear me. What do you think, G? Wasn't a bad day.
Let's go get settled.
Couple provinces.
Couple provinces.
Eat our shit.
No tickets.
No tickets.
No tickets.
Well, my wife doesn't know that, but yeah. I think we're over here. Well, G, home for the night.
Home for the night.
This is it. I guess I'll use this bed because it's closer to the bath. What's the view? What do you got? Downtown Calgary again?
No.
No, not quite.
Nope, not quite.
No. Nice. I'm thirsty.